Hello, my name is Victor Svetoslav and I'm one of the chef instructors here at HSC Culinary Academy. Every year we have our annual scholarship contest for €2,000 for everybody who applied or intend to apply for our intake in September 2022. We challenge you to create a dish, and this year we're going to do the same, but this time instead of challenge you full culinary, we would like to challenge you full arts. This time the subject of the scholarship contest will be around this painting here, okay? So we would like you to get inspired from this painting and create a dish. Everything is more around your imagination and your fantasy. You don't need to recrop the painting on a plate or whatsoever. Just be inspired, think about it, and just give your best. We would expect your creation with, very important, short description of what you have done and why, most important. And we accept any media. You can do a short video, you can do long video, you can do PowerPoint, you can put some pictures with the text. We'll accept them all, okay? But don't forget the description and, most important, why you decided to do this based on the painting that you saw before. You don't need to show off with world-class culinary skills. Just do your best and show us how you accept this painting, okay? Good luck to all of you. I'll be glad to see you in September.